get some flowers. Going to make a bouquet.
White?
No. Down. Like more from here. Off here. We do it like this. I think it's... Yeah. Here. Take it from here. You see?
So you don't need the scissor.
I don't think we need the scissor. Beautiful flowers. Here. So beautiful. Look at the moon.
There's a half moon. And maybe I'll see Venus. I saw Venus last night.
Yeah?
Yeah. Venus.
So from your room?
No, from outside. I went outside. Look at this one. Look at. Doesn't it look like a puppy? Like a poodle.
Yeah.
No, I
It's
don't.
very nice, no? These flowers are so beautiful.
Oh wait, I got your headphones.
Yeah.
Head and headphones.
Hold all of them.
Okay.
They're so beautiful. Look at this big okra. Yeah. And the beans. All the okra. Here. There's more okra.
Yeah.
Mm,
It's not. Is it good?
good, very good.
Actually.
All these beans. These are going. We're going to keep it for seeds. So dark right now. Well, we have to go. And the eggplants. Yeah. Basil. Smells so good. Flowers. Okra. More flowers. Look at these flowers, Sammy.